What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I created these 3 updo styles using Sensationnel Curls Kinks Co texture clip-ins. Now I have these clip-ins in the style Game Changer and they are 10 inches long, and I do have a video where I styled these down, so make sure you check the link above. I'm starting off with my hair slicked in a high pony with my ends braided down, and the first style I'm creating is a extended side pony. So I'm starting off with the 3-inch wefts and I'm working my way up to the top and making sure the combs are secured. Now once I have my clip-ins placed, I'm going to take some hair from the ponytail and wrap it around my base. Now I want my pony to have some height to it and I want it to be a little bit narrow at the base, so I'm going to wrap a few pieces around. Then fluff and frame my face, and this is the completed look guys. I am really loving this side pony, so cute and girly. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. The next style I'm creating is the bun with the bangs, so I'm just going to remove some of the clip-ins from my ponytail. Then taking a 5-inch weft and placing that at the base of my pony, making sure it's close enough so when I begin to wrap my bun around, I'm hiding the weft. These clip-ins are still available at Sam's Beauty, so make sure you check the description box down below. I will have them linked. Next, I'm going to frame my bangs, and I'm just going to take some bobby pins and start to create my shape. Now notice that I am pinning the hair under the bun. It's just going to give a more seamless look. I'm also taking my scissors and removing some of the frizz. Now I created some of this frizz from daily use, but also I put product on this hair. I do not advise you to do that. This is not human hair, and I added some mousse to it one day and it made the hair frizz up really bad. But overall, I still think the hair looks nice. And this is the completed look, guys. I am really loving this bun with bangs. These clip-ins just match my hair texture so perfect. I'm in love. Let me know what you guys think about look number 2. So for this last look, I'm going to take the ends of my hair and wrap it into a knot. Then I'm taking the two 7-inch wefts and I'm going to wrap those around the base of my pony. Once I have those placed, I'm going to push the hair down and reveal my little bun and add 2 of the 5-inch wefts around that bun. Then taking some hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base to hide the wefts. Now I'm taking a few curls out to frame my face. Then I'm taking a scrunchie and I'm going to place it at the bottom of my ponytail to give it some height. Now each style can be worn up to a week. Just tie your hair down at night and refresh your style in the morning. I'm gonna fluff, and this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with this style. This is the one that I've been rocking the most. And you can give the ponytail more height just by pushing up the scrunchie, and that's exactly what I did here. And I'm in love with this genie ponytail as well. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of the 2. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell as well. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.